Hello students, hope that you are fine. Welcome to my geography video tutorial of 8th standard. Today I shall discuss about India physical features. In between that, today's my topic is the Great Indian Desert. Everybody you know, desert means what? Desert means wherever very less vegetation, very less rainfall, and the population is also very less. So why it is there? Because there is sun rays more and there is too much evaporation also, and that is because of lack of water, people don't want to live there. But don't want to live there because, and another one also, that is transport difficulties are there. Transportation, because everywhere there is sand, and transportation, communication facilities are not there, agricultural facilities are not there. So this is desert, and in between our India, where is that desert is there? Everybody you know, that is only in Rajasthan. That Rajasthan area, here the desert name is Thar Desert. So it lies to the western side of Great Northern Plains. This is the Northern Plains. So Northern Plains western side, that is Great Northern Plains western side, it occupies a part of the state of Rajasthan. This is Rajasthan you have seen, and here that is this part, it is Thar Desert. It covering 61% of the geographical area. It is known as Thar Desert already, I have told you. It is one of the world's biggest desert. And this desert covered with sandy soils, just like, and because of that sands, there is that wind is also very huge. This is barren land, means no vegetation is there. So wind is also there. That's why there is that the sands are making depression in these areas. Depression means there is making hollow, because winds are moving from one place to another, means winds are blowing here. Whenever winds are blowing, then sands are also blowing. Sands are also means carried out with the wind, and whenever they are moving from one place to another, then that place will be vacant and they are deposited somewhere. So vacant place, they are making some hollows. That is called depression. In this way, in this area, some depressions are also formed. So it is the hottest and driest region in the world, in India, and I have told you it lacks in water. Some streams appear during the rainy season, but immediately after the season they disappear. And these streams do not have enough water, so they dry up and disappear. Where they disappear? They disappear into the sand. And the Thar Desert is also famous for inland drainage. Inland drainage means in between the land, whatever the drainage system, the river system is there, that is called inland drainage. So here, what is the river flowing here? Luni River, Luni, Luni River. Here the Luni River is flowing in this region, in this desert. Hence it is not very too much vegetation, but palm, date, this type of trees we have found here. So we can say there is very little vegetation. The annual temperature ranges from 0 degree in winter and also in the summertime 50 degree centigrade. 0 degree centigrade to 50 degree centigrade. Means in the summer season 50 degree centigrade and winter season that is 0 degree centigrade. So what we have seen, daytime that is the temperature is too hot and night time also temperature is too cold. Means here we have seen continental type of climate. Where is the difference means range of temperature is too much. The difference between the day and night temperature also too much. Same way the difference between the summer and winter temperature is also huge. So in short, that is the great Indian desert, that is Thar desert. I am finishing my video up to here. Hope that it will be helpful for you. Thank you everyone.